Hello, today we will guide you through how to stop Google Ads campaign. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you're on the main overview page for the correct account. Starting from the overview screen is helpful because it gives you a clear entry point into the campaign controls you'll need for this process. Once you're on the overview page, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Campaigns. This will expand the available options related to your ad activity. After that, click Campaigns again from the expanded menu to open the full campaign workspace. This is where you can access the assets and settings connected to your advertising efforts. Next, click Ads. This will take you to the Ads page, where you can manage the individual ads associated with your campaign. On this page, scroll down until you see the list of ads. If you have several ads running, take a moment to identify the one you want to stop. Moving carefully here helps make sure you pause the correct item. Now you'll see a status indicator next to the ad you've chosen. Click on that status circle. When you select it, a menu will appear with several options. Choose Pause if you want to stop the ad from running without removing it permanently. This is usually the safest choice if you may want to restart it later. You may also notice other options such as Delete or Enable, but for stopping the ad while keeping it available for future use, Pause is the option to select. There is also another way to do this if you prefer using bulk actions or if the status circle is less convenient. Select the checkbox next to the ad you want to stop. After you check the box, a prompt menu will appear. From that menu, select Pause. This method is especially useful if you want to manage one or more ads from the list view more quickly. Both methods accomplish the same result, so you can use whichever feels easier in your workflow. Pausing is a good option when you want to temporarily stop delivery without losing the ad's setup, performance history, or structure. After you make the change, it's a good idea to visually confirm that the ad status is updated. That way you can be sure the ad is no longer active. And that's how to stop a Google Ads campaign from the Ads section by pausing the selected ad.